Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Look, Miss Echo International Philippines Alexi May Brooks received a warm welcome from her Ilonggo supporters during yesterday's homecoming caravan around the City of Love. After the caravan, our Queen supporters were allowed to meet and briefly interact with our Queen. SM City Iloilo was filled with the Ilonggo's genuine love and cherished moments. Madamo gid nga salamat mga Ilonggo. Ito ang summit ng ating pambato sa Miss Echo International na walang iba kundi si Miss Alexi May Brooks. Patuloy nating suportahan si Alexi Brooks sa kanyang journey sa Miss Echo International. And of course, maraming salamat sa iyong pagsuporta dito sa channel na ito. Patuloy ng mantabay para sa iba pang mga updates.